everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today, we will be learning few of the very important predefined JavaScript methods. They are call, apply, and bind. So before diving into the concepts, let us check few examples where they are really helpful. Suppose we have a person object. And let us have first name and last name as entities. And let's also have a function to print full name, which prints the full name.
For videos and media projects.
Let's call the function. So the output should be name is Virat Kohli. Yeah, we can see name is Virat Kohli as expected. Now, let's have another object person 2 with same entities as person object, but the values will be different. Now, I just want to print the full name of the person 2. So, should I have to write the same function again? No, not necessarily. Let's borrow the function from person object. Here, call and apply concepts will come into the play. Let us see how can we use them. So, person.printFullName is the function that we are having. Call is a predefined JavaScript function. It can be used to invoke a method with an owner object as an argument. And this in the function will be referred to the object that we are passing. If you pass person 2 as an argument, now this will be referred to the person 2 object. Now, the output should be name is Virat Kohli and name is Ms. Dhoni. Now, we are passing person 2. So, this in this function will be referred to person 2. Let's check the output. The name is Ms. Dhoni. It is the expected one. We have successfully borrowed the function. In general, we don't directly use a function from another object. Instead, we will be defining it globally and we will be using it everywhere. Let me show you that. This is the print full name function. Let's pass person object and person 2 objects as arguments. See, the output won't be changing. This is how we use call function. You might get a doubt that what if you are having some argument to pass to the function? So, let's see how we send them. Let us say that age and description are the arguments passed for this function. If we don't pass something, let's have an empty string. So, let's have that console statement. And we need to pass comma separated values as arguments when you are using call. Now, let us pass 30 as age and description as I am king. Let's do the parameters with person 2 object also. So, let's pass 34 as age and Thala as description. Oops, there is some issue I guess. Sorry, extra bracket there. Let me remove that. Yeah. You can see now it is working as expected. This is all about call. Let me recap it. So, call is a predefined JavaScript method. It can be used to invoke a method with an owner object as an argument. Now, let's see what apply is. Apply function is very similar to call function, but the only key difference is the format of the arguments that we pass. Let me show you that. The first first argument will be the same, which is an object. And we need to pass remaining arguments in an array format, not as comma separated. So, the output shouldn't get changed now. Check that. Yeah, it didn't change. So, this is all about call and apply. Now, let's move to the bind. The bind method creates a new function, and when that new function is called, it set this keyword to the first argument, which is passed to the bind method. It is very similar to the call function, right?
Unlimited royalty-free music for videos and media projects.
But the only key difference is it returns a new function such that it improves readability and usability. Let me show you that. Let's have a function binded function and bind it with person2. Now, we can directly use that function because anyway it binded to person2, and we can directly pass comma separated values, and the output also shouldn't get changed now.
TunePocket.com.
Yeah, that's it. As you can see, the output isn't changed. So, this is all about call, apply, and bind. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more content.